And regarding the bank account, it's a real physical bank account. This is not like virtual, like Pioneer. This is a physical one that you can connect to your Stripe account, to your PayPal without any issue. It's like if you went in the US to some bank and you opened the bank account. And by the way, before there was only two options if you wanted to open a physical US bank account. You either had to go to the US and go to the bank with your passport and open the bank account, or you had to do it through there's only one that was doing that, and like there was a full module about this attorney on e-commerce accelerator, uh, and it was pretty expensive, between 2000 and 2500 US dollars for the service. And not only that, but recently he stopped taking new client, like since I have many students who have been rejected recently, like since 4 or 5 months, because it's getting harder day after day, and the US regulation are changing and stuff like that. Alright guys, if you find this cool, don't forget that you enjoy the content, so I can try to bring you some more cool stuff like that in the future and in the future videos. And now let me show you some stuff. So before that we start, here is the list of the forbidden countries that are banned by the US banking services. And so if you are from one of those countries, it means that you can't have access to this service, unfortunately. And if you are not from one of those countries, here is the requirement. So you will need your passport, and you will need the certificate of formation of the LLC if you already have one. And I have a full video about this. If you don't have an LLC, it's not a problem, they've got you covered. So here is the pricing of the service, and they have three packages. The first one, only the bank account. Second one is the LLC. They create the LLC for you and the US bank account. And the third one is just the LLC package. The most interesting ones for us are those two in here. And like the one I have is this one, the US bank account. So checking bank account, debit card, this one, online banking, the website. You go to the website of the bank, and you do the transactions, you do money transfer and everything. It's like any online banking service. And the business checkbook, this, and the international shipping. For me, in my case, they sent me to Brazil. It took something like 2 weeks, more or less. And they also have an option of express shipping, so you receive it like in a week or something like that. And by the way, it won't be TD Bank for everyone, because they are working with all the major banks in the US, or most of the major banks. So it depends. Each time it's gonna be some different bank, but it will be like a big player, a big bank in the US. Alright guys, just one little side note. The price that you see in here might change, because I've been talking to the guys and they told me that they will keep on rising it. So this price is for right now, 22nd October 2018. I don't know when you are watching, but the price might be more than this. And I have a cool bonus for you. So for the first 30 ones to join, to enroll and purchase the service, if you use the coupon ADILMAF at the checkout, you will get $100 off. And after the 30 ones, if you use the coupon, you get $50 off. And so far I didn't announce this anywhere else. This is extremely exclusive. I've only announced it on the mastermind of e-commerce accelerator yesterday, and that's it. And by the way, for those who've been asking me when I'm reopening the door for e-commerce accelerator, good news is that it's open, and you will find the link below in case you want to join. Alright, so once you get your bank account, you get the money in your bank account and you want to withdraw it. Here are the solutions. So you have the debit card that you receive. You can go and withdraw at an ATM machine, or you can pay with it for stuff online and everything, or you can do a bank transfer to your local bank account. It depends of the countries. Personally, I find that it's a pain in the ass. I avoid it, and there is some fees and stuff. Or you can use TransferWise. And TransferWise, like you can make the transfer from the US bank account to your local bank account at like very, very, very low fees. You will find the link below this video. Alright, guys, so that's it for this video. Just couple last things. The first one is make sure to make your own investigation before moving forward. Like I did, I've heard about the service and I checked because it's banking, it's your hard-earned money. So do your investigation and move forward. And if convinced, like me, I was convinced, I moved forward. So I might recommend you to do the same. And other than this, I have a big announcement coming soon. I'm working on a new project related to payment processing, online banking, taxes for non-US residents, and everything in between. All this pain in the ass that we have when we are coming from a developing country. So just make sure to subscribe and tick the bell button to be informed once I release the video. Or better, just follow me on Instagram because everything is announced there first.